Good morning, LNC fam. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house. I got my brother Ben over there.
What's up, guys?
Doing big things. So today is an exciting day. We're playing an auction once again, and I'm buying a car for one of the subscribers. Thank you, Raphael, for giving us opportunity to work with us and trusting me and sending me deposit. And he found two cars that he really likes. They're located in Seattle, and I believe he's from Seattle as well, Washington, that part of the area. So he looked at two cars. He had an inspector actually go out and look at a couple cars that he really likes. I bet on those cars today, and hopefully if everything goes well, we should be able to buy them. Super excited. Let's take a look what we got. So vehicle number one, it's a 2015 Jaguar F-Type. Minor damage to the front right side, as you guys could see on the pictures. Airbags did not deploy, so that is really good. Save you tons of money as well. So yeah, looks kind of nasty, but not too bad. 17,000 miles. Clean in and out. Pre-bid ended at 13. So yeah, we'll play on this bad boy and hopefully we'll win it. And let me show you the other car. It's a BMW 2018 BMW M3. This BMW ran a couple of times, but insurance company wants 29,000 for it. So we'll see if they're gonna let it go today. So one airbag deployed, good miles, 18,000, red interior, manual transmission. So clean car. It's Washington as well. Pre-bid ended at 24,600. Beautiful cars. I ran the Carfax on both of them. Here they are. Everything checks out. The Jag had 3 owners. The BMW had 2 owners. So good perfect cars. And the Jaguar at one point when it was brand new was over 100,000. Can't believe they dropped like crazy. And BMW was 80 grand, so they paid off the BMW owner 60,000 for the car, and Jag owner got paid 50,000 for his car. So hopefully we'll get the Jaguar in the low 20s, and if we don't get the Jag, then we'll play on the BMW. Hopefully we'll get it for like 28 maybe. I don't want to go over anything 28 by the time shipping and auction fee, do me sideways fee, everything adds up real quick. So we'll stay nice and humble on our numbers. We're not gonna go too crazy, but hopefully I'll get the Jag. That was his first choice. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys live auction, and we'll go from there. We've got 30 more cars left. Woo! Getting that feeling again. The butterflies in my stomach. Hopefully we'll buy it. Hopefully under 20. That would be like the steal deal for that car. Wish me luck, fellas. Wish me luck. 31 cars, 30 cars, and we'll find out who is gonna be the lucky winner of that Jag.
Hello.
Good morning, Raphael.
Morning, how are you?
Good. You ready for this?
Yes.
Nice.
Here, I log into, I have an account, so I'm just taking a look.
Awesome. You're, by the way, gonna be on the video. I'm recording this.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, stopped are good, so I think we should be able to get this for a good price.
$1,600, sir.
Let's hope like a 17.
Yeah.
73373. Yeah.
There we go.
You got 157. Yeah, bring her on up. Look at this one, Ty.
Yeah, the reserve was 15.
Yeah, 115 model Jaguar F-Type.
All right, let's go.
Now it's down for your invitee. Let's go fast model. Singing band to down for your invitee. Singing band to down for your invitee.
Come on, give it to me.
We're selling all the way. Come
on.
Roll outside, driver. Thank you.
Come on.
Here, now go fast model. 16 pawn. 1, 2, 2, 2.
Come on, give it to me.
16, 2, and 3. I like the ride. Singing 2 here. Down to the gun 3. To gun 3. Last one of in back.
Yes.
Boom. To the T. 16,000.
We got it for 62.
7.
Good. That's perfect.
Oh man, dude, this is so awesome.
Well done.
Yeah, let me FaceTime you right now.
I got quite a bit here down for the. I got quite a bit here down for the.
Hey, what's up, my friend?
How are you?
Good, good. Well, congratulations, man.
Thank you. We got for a good price, right?
Hell yeah. We stole this thing pretty much. Dude, I didn't believe it's gonna go for that price. I thought at least it's gonna bring close to 20 grand. And reserve came off, everything, so we're in business.
That's amazing. I'm excited.
Yeah. So I'm gonna call my guy and get this thing shipped out here as soon as possible. Yeah, everything came out to 1750. Man, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. Cause they put actual value of the car 50,000. That's how much they paid off the other guy.
Yeah.
So awesome, 50 grand. Sounds good. I'll get my guy on it, and we'll probably pick it up hopefully tomorrow or the following day. And it should be arriving here shortly. It's only, what, 18 hours away from here?
Sounds great.
Awesome.
Thank you very much for
Yeah.
your support, and I think it's amazing what you do here. I think that's very cool.
Thank you.
I'm a
Much
fan.
love.
That's why I'm using you as a fan.
Yes. All right, brother. Well, it was nice meeting you, and I'll keep you in the loop.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You
Bye-bye.
too. You too. Bye-bye. Yes, dude. Oh, me and him were talking back and forth. We're like 20 max, and dude, 17 grand. That's a smoking deal. And MSRP on this car at one point it was over 100,000. I'm so happy. Go pay for the car right now, and I'll get my driver on it. I'll call my dispatcher and set up a pickup for this car. So nice. So stay tuned, my friends. Алло.
Володя, нашел, тата заберу.
Супер. Окей, все, супер.
Иншуренс вроде бы неплохой. Как бы нормально такой иншуренс, да.
Ну окей, все тогда.
Ссылайте. Завтра ты сегодня заплатишь, а не доберут, окей?
Да, я завтра утром в 9 уже будет заплачено.
Окей, хорошо.
Ага, давай, bye. That's it. My guy just called the shipping company. Already all got set up, so they're gonna come grab the car from Seattle. We'll pay for the car probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go make a cashier check and run to the auction tomorrow first thing in the morning. Pay for that car, and they'll pick it up, and we should have the car within 24 hours, I believe, from Washington, Seattle. So it should be arriving fairly quick. So I'm excited about that car. It's coming. Take the Porsche today again. Good old Porsche. Been driving the Porsche for the last month or so. I like it, not gonna lie, but I'm excited about the Benz. And let's see, where should we put my coffee? Well, first step, we gotta do this. Steam, boom. We're ready. Do a cold start. This thing's pretty loud with my exhaust. Sounds nice. Waking all the neighbors up. Well, it's not really waking them up. It's 8:45, so I wouldn't say that's too early. We'll head to the auction right now, pay for the car, and I'll notify the driver the car's been paid for, and he should be able to pick it up within the next hour or so. Super excited to see this car. That's it, we just got to the auction, and this is my favorite auction from IA in Anaheim. This is where you buy the best cars you could possibly think. the auction where you know you're not gonna get scammed, because it's all insurance cars only. Mercury insurance. So yeah, we're gonna go inside, pay, get the paperwork, and let the driver know the car is paid and ready to go for a pickup. That's it, guys. We just paid for the car and we're ready to go. I just sent the text message to the driver and let him know everything is taken care of, ready for pickup. Oh man, I'm excited for this car. First time buying a Jaguar, so this is completely new to me. I worked on Jaguars but never bought a Jaguar, so pretty interesting rebuild's gonna be. And this one is nice, F-Type R, so it should be a fun one. So this month we bought 3 cars for subscribers. That's awesome. You guys are just rock star. Thank you for everything, man. You guys been killing me with the comments. I have no time to even respond. The last video I posted, over 600 comments. Man, thank you guys. Appreciate for all the love and support that you guys been giving me. Just too much. You guys are so nice. You guys are amazing. Alright, the Jaguar has arrived. Let's take a closer look. This is first time I'm seeing it, so hopefully this is good. Not too bad overall. Front end damage. And we'll find out if radiator and condenser is damaged. Overall pretty clean. Airbags did not deploy, so that is good. Nice and clean inside. Car overall. Got the Jaguar inside of the shop. Now we're gonna take everything apart and look at the damage and start ordering the parts. The whole front end that shifted to the left, so we'll take it apart and see what's going on. Little frame damage, I believe. Should be fixable. Right now I'm gonna remove all the radiators, condensers, so I could work on the frame a little bit. Let me show you. Gotta remove all this so I could put the car on the frame machine, straighten this frame rail, and same with this side. And plus all the radiators, condenser, everything is busted. We're gonna have to replace this anyways. Let's take a closer look. Oh, this is damaged at the bottom. This radiator is damaged. Up here it's cracked. This is damaged as well. The radiator is damaged too. So pretty much everything is broken. Fan shrotter is damaged up here. Both air intakes are damaged, left and the right. And then here is the frame damage. So minor frame damage, not too bad. And same on this side. So we're gonna put the car on the frame machine and repair this. And repair this section. And everything else looks pretty good. Hood is good, no damage to the fenders. No damage up here either, so just a side impact. So we'll start looking for new parts. Hopefully we could find used parts, or everything gonna have to go through the dealer. So we'll get a couple of quotes to see what works best for us. So hopefully we'll get lucky and we'll get some used parts. So we'll see. That's a wrap for this video. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2 we'll start looking for parts and putting the car in the frame machine and start working. So don't go nowhere. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!